This is Voice of the East. They call me Big Ajibo, just so you know. So let's talk about the most underrated artist in the East. Nyabu, artist in the Eastern Ascender. The first on this list is Mawek. Mawek is good, lyrically good. He sings, he raps. But then again, how many of you know about Mawek? How many of you listen to Mawek sound and get to know that he is the owner of that sound? 2, let's talk about Ratty. Ratty was once signed to Phyno's Penthouse Records. But then again, do you know anything about Ratty? Do the Easterners or the Southeast do whatever they want to do with Ratty's sound? Your guess is as good as mine. The third person on this list happens to be Fanzi Papaya. Now there's a bridge between Flavor and every other person that sings anything relating to whatever Flavor is doing in the Eastern industry. Let's not talk about it globally. But the person that was supposed to take over that button should be Fanzi Papaya. But as it stands now, Fanzi is so underrated. He knows how to sing. He has a good voice. He produces this melodious sound. But nobody wants to vibe or chill or do whatever with Fanzi Papaya's sound. The next on this list is Nono Ziggy.
None other seeker got zero caution and no fear. Looking down on me, the impossible, it be upstairs.
Nono Ziggy is a very good artist. He sings, he raps, but heavy on the rap side. Somebody told me that when it comes to rap and intellectuality, you cannot take that away from Nono Ziggy. But do you know Nono Ziggy? How many people mess with Nono Ziggy's sound? The answer is just very few in the Southeast.
You go mad at you on safety for my own safety. Heavy in the game, I'm so hefty, you know.
Let's talk about Sparkle T. He is the person topping the list.
Use your head before them go use them for you. If you broke, you will know that no one loves you.
Sparkle T is so underrated in the Eastern Igbo rap setting.
If them walk up for a matter, them go lost. Where them plan to bury us, we buy the land.
Knowing a lot of songs, doing a lot of covers, playing with a lot of sound, and trying to bring back old sounds, refurbish it, and make it something beautiful. That is what Sparkle T has done. But how many of you know Sparkle T? And how many of us enjoy his sound? So on the list, 5 underrated Southeast artists. I'm going to take you through them again. On the 5th is Mawek. On the 4th is Ratty. The 3rd is Fanzi Papaya. The 2nd is Nono Ziggy. And the top person on this list is Sparkle T. This is Voice of the East. My name is Big Ajibo. See you.